lot of people wonder, what happens if I get an inbound call to my shape number? The answer is simple. We can either have it come into the system, it can ring to your cell phone, combination of both. Our routing rules are extremely flexible and can work based on how you like to work. For this particular video, I'm going to be covering what an inbound call looks like when it comes through the dialer slide out, aka the web phone. You can see here, I'm calling. When I answer the phone, mute this here, this will automatically open up the contact record upon answering. So that way you have all of the key details at your fingertips, including notes, text conversation history, checklists of where you're at, and you also have all of your tabs across the top, which I'm in an LOA view, but I could also be on a loan officer view if I was in that department. These views can also be completely customized to match your workflow, making it easy to either add lien details, loan and property, any current lien details, real estate info, etc. As that lead progresses through the pipeline, we also have full 1008, 1003 application details. The tracking tab is going to summarize those key details up at the top and include all of your critical milestone dates as well. And of course, we also have the key service providers, including the referral partner, buying agent, transaction coordinators, and more. Hope this was helpful to show what happens when an inbound call comes into the system. And again, if I was not available to answer on the desktop version, it could always then ring my cell phone after attempting here. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks so much for watching.